Hello everyone, myself Vasudev Parik. I am studying in Agriculture College and Research Institute Kelikula. Today the topic given by the Economics Department is canal irrigation. In this video we discuss about canal irrigation in India and some interesting fact about Indian irrigation. So before I start my topic, let's view on Indian geographical area and ancient history of canal irrigation. India is a vast country with a geographical area of 329 million hectares, and the rainfall in India is dependent on two types of monsoon, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. The annual rainfall received in India is 1190 mm. The rainfall is vary from place to place. In Khasi and Jaintia hills, the rainfall received is 10,000 mm. In Rajasthan, Western Rajasthan, they receive only 150 to 200 mm. Water is the life of civilization. It is not inexhaustible. We know our ancestors or in ancient scriptures we see the discussion about wells, canals and tanks, dams and how they sustain their life. Now you see the picture, the person pulling the water from well, and the farming community they divert the water from main channels. And the bottom picture you see the Rani Ki Vav or Queen's Step well situated in Gujarat. This main architecture developed for storing the rainwater. India from ancient years they practice developing irrigation for crops. In 2nd century, the construction of Grand Anicut Dam by the king of Kadikalan of Chola dynasty in southern India. During early British period, so many projects are done, like Western and Eastern Yamuna Canal, Kaveri Mathur Dam project. They mainly constructed in Tamil Nadu. When India became independent in 1947, it had to feed a population of 350 million. It is a very big challenge for India to feed this amount of population with a particular specific land area. At the time of independence, the population of India is dependent on import of food grain because that time we are not self-sufficient in food grain. So after that we start the several irrigation projects. Irrigation projects are initiated because we want to self-sufficiency in food grains. Tamil Nadu is the first stage where the major irrigation projects are started. Irrigation projects started in Tamil Nadu in 1948 and completed in 1955. That is dam situated between Mettupalayam and Satyamangalam. After that, so many projects are initiated and completed, like Bhakra Nangal Dam. As a result of these projects, India becomes self-sufficient in food grain. Now, after that, this week success in these projects, and now we are exporting to other needy countries who need food grains. After that, we initiate some mega projects with these irrigation projects like hydropower generation, like boosting irrigation water, drinking water. Why canal irrigation is important in India? After wells and tube wells, canal irrigation is the second most important source of irrigation in India. Who started the canal irrigation? In India, the first ruler Firoz Shah Tughlaq, he started the canal irrigation. Firozabad city is also founded by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Canal irrigation is most important form of irrigation in North India. We discuss some comparison in North India and South Indian where their canal irrigation is successful, in which side is more. Canal irrigation is the cheapest and simplest source of irrigation, and poor Indian farmer can easily afford it. What is canal? In Hindi, we know as canal as a naher. Canal is an artificial channel constructed to convey water from a rivers or reservoirs. So many types of canal irrigation. So the first is irrigation canal. Irrigation canal is an artificial channel that is the main waterway that bring irrigation from a water sources to area to be irrigated. Means the main function of the irrigation canal is that take the water from rivers or reservoirs or dam to the agricultural lands. Navigation canal. The canals used for transport of goods. Now you see the canal photo in this slide. The Buckingham canals in Chennai. Power canal. These canals are operated to generate electricity. Feeder canal. The name itself show feeder canals means it gives water to small canals, means it act as a mother canal. Canal irrigation more suitable in northern India as compared to southern India. Why? So many reasons. The first reason is that the rivers in northern India are perennial rivers, means they flow all over here. Not they don't have perennial rivers. Yes, they depend on the rainfall. These rivers are depend on rainfall. Now we see the advantage of canal irrigation: increase food productions and improve groundwater level. We depend on rainfall is minimized, higher productivity per hectares, and we can generate so many things other than agriculture. We can generate hydroelectricity, navigation we do, drinking water supply is also done. In this picture you see how the canal irrigation convert a arid zone to a green zone. Canal irrigation also becoming a source of tourist attraction these days. What the problem faced during a canal irrigation? Rat holes in canal banks, small leakage. When the government or peoples don't maintain the canals year to year, then these problems are happen. The canal water is leakage out and it deposit near the agricultural land, so the water logging and alkalinity condition is arise. At least 30% of water is lost during a year in a canal by a leakage only. To prevent the seepage means loss of water. How to protect the seepage means leakage of water from a canal? So many methods are there. The important one is the brick lining, and the second one is cement mortar lining and stone masonry lining. Salinity and water logging near canal region. If the seepage or leakage is more than the near farms, they collect water, and these lands are not suitable for cultivation. And in bottom picture you see the waste materials coming from industry. They are also polluting the canal water, and this is very harmful for human being and animals also. Sometimes the fighting happens, and the disputes arise for sharing of canal water, and the danger of spreading waterborne disease in peripheral areas. Sometimes disputes arise for water distribution and result in murders and throwing of dead bodies by the bank of canals. Now you see the amazing facts. The Indira Gandhi Canal is the largest irrigation canal in India. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal of the India. It is arise from Harike Barrage at Harike. That is the few kilometers below the Satluj and Beas rivers conflict, and its starting point is the Punjab state and its terminate in the Rajasthan Jaisalmer district. During 1960, Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan, which gave India the right to use water of three rivers: Satluj, Beas, and Ravi. In 1940, Kanwar Sen he gives the idea to bringing the canal in Rajasthan. But during the construction of canals, so many problems they face, like financial constraint, corruptions. This canal is 650 kilometers long. The feeder canal is 167 kilometers situated in Punjab and Haryana state, and the remaining in Rajasthan up to Jaisalmer. So this is the revolution for Rajasthan because it approximately irrigate the 30,000 square kilometer area of Rajasthan. So through this irrigation project, cultivation of food crops and cash crop is possible. And it is an anti-desertification project, not not a single irrigation project. It makes change and take revolution in agriculture in Rajasthan. So this canal solve the drinking water scarcity also. Please subscribe my YouTube channels, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned with me. We will meet in the next video.